And what's up guys, welcome for another video. I have not posted for a very long time. So today I'll teach you how to make a better house and make it look good. So before we start, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's go. So the first thing you should do is make some depth. For example, just do like so so this is what I'm talking about, like changing the texture. It adds more texture, and if you want even more designs, you could use a different type of uh, material. For example, stone stairs like that, just like that. And if you want to have more design, you could do it like this. If you want to like connect it, like connect this into this, you could just change this wood over here and do it like that. So it's like, it looks like it's connected, and you can add some lanterns over here like that, and so on. So this is my idea on the outside on the outside and this is my idea on the inside. So if you want to make it look better, so from the interior, so we have a little bit of touches here, but actually I would rather make it a lantern. I know it costs expensive, but it will be worth it. It's for the design and for the light, so it's a pretty much same thing. What you'll do here is, if you want style, or you want efficient, or you just want efficiency, let's go for style first. For style, just go over here, put a stair backwards, and put some lantern. If you want to add some more, then just add over here. And for storage, let's make it more efficiency. Let's take a chest, a normal chest, and then just put it like this. And after that, we're gonna put it like this, and like that, and like this, and like that. So basically, you have a divider over here. It could mean very many things. If you want to, you could just remove this, and maybe even add a barrel, maybe over here. And for here, don't place anything, because you won't open this thing. But if you want to make it like more of a clear, just put some paintings. It will help it, like it will make it more interesting. So yeah, like that. So as you can see, it much looks like more interesting. If you want to make it more interesting, you could place a lantern between, but it will look messy. So I recommended just sticking with the first design I did, which is this. And for the furnace and crafting tables, for efficiency and style, just put it on the floor. Like, I really mean it, on the floor, just like this. It saves up space and use it for the wall. And for this vacant space, for like style, you could just make it like a coffee place or a underground base. It's basically just like this. So yeah, it's your design what to do with the free space. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Marcus MC. I'll be back. Thank you. Goodbye.